Oh boy, hey, I'm back out in the garage. Boy, it's getting hot outside. We moved from the garage, got to be out of the sun for this. But hey, y'all remember when we worked on this Explorer? We put this beautiful vinyl on. I mean, it looks really nice, except it's starting to peel off at the bottom and what have you. And it was our first vinyl job, and we had a lot of issues. And we were told that, hey, the toughest thing to do is carbon fiber. And don't use aftermarket cheap stuff. Use name brand. So what did we do? We bought aftermarket cheap stuff, and we did it anyhow. But we're going to peel it off. Let's see how hard it is to peel off, and then we're going to talk about Plasti Dip. So first thing is the peel. Stay tuned. Like and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. Don't miss any of this. All right, let's try to pull off this vinyl. Wow. Comes off pretty easy, don't it? Well, not so easy there, so. We'll next out later. Work on that a little. We got that one off pretty good. Still got a little bit right here. All right. Hey, vinyl's off. Way quick and easy. All right, our alcohol again. We're gonna clean this thing up. Get this piece here too. All right, guys, we're gonna shut this off. We're gonna find our tape and start taping stuff up. All right, they claim you can just peel this stuff, so let it overspray. But we're gonna tape pretty close to where it is, so that we can only peel a little bit if we have to. All right, so got to tape some of this up there. All right, guys, we're going to do the tinfoil trick here on the exhaust pipe. So I'm going to go get some tinfoil and show you how that works. All right, tinfoil trick. You take tinfoil and you kind of go like this and push it around stuff. There you go. All right, again, we touched a lot of this. We're going to wipe it off one more time with a little bit of alcohol. When we taped it, we touched it. We want it to stick. All right, so after shaking this thing for about a minute, supposed to be able to spray it. There's medium wet coats. All right, glossifier. Glossifier says clean and dry, best results, no sunlight. Shake it, we did that. 6 to 10 inches from surface. Surface coated, additional coats make it glossy. So, pop the top. All right, gonna go for one more good coat here. All right, guys, it's been sitting a while. We're gonna peel it off very carefully. Well, you can see how that came out. Looks pretty nice. Got the sport look to it now. We're still drying a little on the bottom, but it's getting good. Okay, guys, we learned a lot about this spray stuff. So when you're doing Plasti Dip, you can see what it looks like right there. See, looks pretty nice, actually. Things you got to remember: keep the tape away from the surface. It's okay to get a little Plasti Dip on your paint job. That will make it easier and better in the future. All right, where we were real close, we had some trouble peeling it off, and it wanted to peel up. But hey, it's temporary. We're gonna live with it for a while, see what happens. We'll give you post notifications and updates on it when we peel it off. But hey, like and subscribe. Turn your post notifications on. You'll see more videos like this. Until then, good luck with your Explorer projects. I'll be back with more of mine.